I love everything about food, like how it was made, how it was prepared, and like one ingredient you can do so much on a single ingredient. My name is Rex Quizon. I took Culinary Arts at ICE. We moved here around 1990, and so basically I grew up half Philippines and half Los Angeles. When I fell in love in cooking, I just cooked basically for my family, and we always have guests almost every weekend in the house, so that's how it started. My culinary school experience was really amazing because at first I thought it was too late for me because of my age. It's actually like not going to school. It's more like cooking with friends because you have instructor, but they'll sit beside you, they'll teach you whatever you need, and you can ask them anything. SiSiG is a Filipino barbecue restaurant. Mainly we're serving comfort foods, not only for Filipino but for everybody. After a few months after graduating to ICE, we just doubled our menu. We used to only have, I think, like about 6 or 7 items in the menu. Now we have about 22. ICE Culinary School made me feel more comfortable on cooking, from receiving the ingredients to prep to giving it to the customer. I want everybody to kind of like feel very comfortable on dining on a Filipino restaurant. That's kind of like inspired me that I want everybody to taste Filipino food.